In this video, I am fixing another rib, but this time it's on a denim fabric. I will be using the second foot with an opening on the side. The embroidery concept is the same as before. However, because this foot is big, it provides a larger surface area and it's more visible, allowing you to see more of the area you're working on while sewing. Next, you will need to disengage the feed dug. Depending on your machine model, either you cover or lower the feed dug to disengage. The feed dug are the spiked edges coming out from under the sewing plate. On my machine, I need to lower the feed dug by sliding the button to the icon that indicates a lowered feed dug. Next, you will need to attach the darning embroidery foot. First, remove the presser foot and presser foot holder on your machine. To disengage the presser foot holder, loosen or remove the presser foot shank screw. Then line up the opening in the shank with the opening on the darning embroidery foot, and then tighten the screw. Next, fit the denim onto the machine. Place the piece of fabric under the rib. Lower the presser foot as you turn the hand wheel to draw up the bobbin thread. Then lift the presser foot and pull both threads under the foot. Now you can really start your work. First, I'm sewing around the perimeter of the rib to hold it in place. Then just start moving your denim with your hand until the rib is covered and closed up.